LegalZoom is probably one of the first names you'll see when looking to form an LLC, and its biggest advantage is convenience. The platform walks you through the formation process, helps prepare the necessary documents, and offers additional services like registered agents, legal plans, and ongoing compliance support. For beginners, that all-in-one approach can make starting a business feel much less intimidating. But convenience comes at a price. LegalZoom can be more expensive than filing directly with your state. And many useful features cost extra, like this one for your business, for you and your family, LLC Corporation DBA. For the intellectual property, these are some separate tiers that you should subscribe to. So once you start adding registered agent services, operating agreements, compliance tools, and other upgrades, the final bill can climb quickly because apparently forming an LLC also comes with its own DLC. The platform is very easy to use, but you're partly paying for that simplicity and brand recognition. So here is an overview of the tiers. So LegalZoom is a solid choice for beginners who want guidance and convenience. But if your main goal is saving money, filing directly or using a lower cost service may give you better value.